Hola and happy Cinco de Mayo, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 362nd episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of you a traditional Mexican dessert. We're going to make sopapillas. And sopapillas are fried bread that is topped with powdered sugar or cinnamon sugar and served with honey. And my friends, these sopapillas are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, fried to golden perfection. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. Everybody's going to fall in love with this recipe, and this will satisfy your sweet tooth. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Mexican recipes playlist and my previous video, Mexican rice, aka Spanish rice. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your oil, and your honey sugar, because we're about to fry some sopapilla magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 4 cups of self-rising flour. And I'm going to add in a tablespoon of white sugar. Get my dough a little sweetness. Give that a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. And now we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, or you can use shortening. And using a pastry cutter, or you can use a fork or spoon, just going to cut the butter in. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add in 1.5 cups of warm water, a little at a time. Stir that in. And I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Give all this a quick stir until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, now I place my dough onto a flour surface, and we're going to knead it. Alright, my friends, I'm through kneading the dough, and this is what it looked like. So now we're going to put it back in the same bowl, and we're going to cover it and let it rest for about 20 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our dough is nice and rested. So now I put it on the flour surface. We're going to knead it a few times. Ooh, this dough is nice and soft. All right. So now using the flour rolling pin, I'm going to roll it to 1/4 to a 1/2 inch thick. So now, using a pizza cutter, just going to cut them into squares. Just like that. Alright, now we're ready to fry our sopapillas. In my large pot, I got the fire over medium heat. I'm heating up some canola oil. You want to get it to about 375 degrees. So now we're going to gently put our sopapillas into the hot oil. like so. And be careful not to overcrowd the pot. Alright, so now we're going to fry our sopapillas until they're golden brown on both sides. Alright my friends, I have taken some of my sopapillas out of the oil. Look how nice and golden brown they are. It smells awesome up in this kitchen. Alright, so now while they're still hot, we're going to sprinkle them with some powdered sugar. Alright, so now I'm going to finish frying the rest of my sopapillas and then I'll plate them up. Alright my friends, there you have it, sopapillas. Don't they look good? And I'm serving it with some honey. And traditionally, they grab a sopapilla and they open it on the corner here and they drizzle the honey on the inside. But I'm going to dip mine in the honey. Look at that. Doesn't that look pretty? Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Soft and tender. These sopapillas are magnificent, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Delicioso. Sopapillalicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Happy Cinco de Mayo. And stay safe, my friends.